Hey everybody, welcome to Ellis Mowers. I appreciate y'all watching as always. Now I've had quite a few of these I'm going to go pick up things and trade things videos here lately. It's been pretty busy in that department here recently. And I don't film everything, but I've had a lot of interesting stuff to film here lately. So we're going to see about picking up a free riding mower today. I've worked on this mower before for the guy. I think he's just finally given up on it. It's a 54-inch Craftsman. It's the one that's got, it's like a 2007-ish model, and I can't remember the exact model number. I think it's one of them YS something 5000 or 7000. It's got the black hood on it. What I do know is that it has had issues with running and getting trash in the fuel. And I quoted them last year, a quote to get the fuel fixed, or to get it fixed, and I don't think he wanted to put that type of money into the mower. And I guess it doesn't run. He's tired of looking at it, so he just said, I just need somebody to come pick it up. So I'm going to pick it up for him, and we'll get it fixed here in a later video. I think I just need to give the fuel system a really, really good clean out, and I think it's going to be all right. But get some traffic people here, but we'll see. Like I said in a later video, figured that a free 54-inch mower warranted a video, so we're going to hop over there and get that. While at the same time, there's a neighborhood I've done quite a bit of work at for mowers and stuff, and so it works out great because I'm servicing a mower while I'm here picking this one up. So it's like getting paid to pick up a mower. It's kind of nice. Just get fortunate combining trips sometimes, especially with high gas prices and driving this truck. Anytime you can do that, saving 10, 15 bucks sometimes with where I've got to drive. So we're gonna get down there. I'll pick the mower up when we get home. I know what it looks like. We'll take a look at it on camera and let y'all know see what y'all think about it. Alright guys, so we are back home with it. This is it. I think it is my first 54-inch deck mower period that I have owned. I've owned a lot. I don't think I've owned anything more, or any more than this, or any other 54-inch deck mower. But here it is. It's a I don't even know if this is really a YS4500. And like I said, I don't even know if, I thought these were like 6000s or something. I wasn't sure if this is a replacement hood or not, but it's the same color as the rest of the mower, so it could just be a high-end YS4500. And it's some sort of Franken mower, because it originally had a Kohler in it. Now it's got a 25 horsepower Briggs in it. But what's happening is there's just pushing oil out somewhere, and I don't know where. And I don't know if it's just pushing it out this right here because it's not in there all the way. But that mounting bolt is broken in there. I don't know if the block is cracked yet or not. It seems like it has compression on it. If I could find my tripod, I'll pop it on the tripod and get the hood off, and we'll see. So just hang tight for a second. But the one good thing is that the deck is actually in very good shape. Like, it's a super thick deck. No rust holes or really even broken brackets or anything. So the deck is in super good shape. Like I said, the engine, I don't know where it's leaking oil from, but it is pushing oil out somewhere bad. And I've got to figure out where that is. Because it's all on the front here of the engine, on the side. And this oil filter is old, like really old. So I don't know if something's given up in it. like I said, the deck is very good overall. We've got a wheel that's a little bit loose that just needs to be tightened, and a tire off the seat. But here's what I think's been going on with this mower, and I'm not sure. It's going to be a little bit of a project to get it right, but I think we can get it right. Worst case, we put another engine on it. See, the thing is, you can't see in the gas tank either. Worst case, we put a new engine on it. Best case, I probably just have to sort out the gas tank in it. And like I said, I don't know how bad it is. We've got a decent amount of gas in it, but there's something, I don't know if it's something in the fuel lines or what, but it keeps contaminating the fuel filter and getting a bunch of trash in it, as you can see right there. And it clogs up the fuel filter and won't pull fuel up through the fuel pump into the gas, into the carburetor. So that's the biggest issue I think I've got to work out. And I think this thing will run, or it will at least spin over by hand. I know it's got one cylinder. I'll have to see what the rods look like on the other side. I might have thrown a push rod or something, but we shall see what it will do here sometime later on. We've got a lot of other stuff to work on, but we'll get around to this. This will probably push $800–900 once I'm able to get it all back together. So hopefully I will be able to do that. Alright guys, so let me know what you think. How you think I did. I'm sure that I did pretty well, but let me know what y'all sell these for. I see them, like I said, they don't bring a ton of money. They're like, it's rare that I see them bring over $1,000 unless they're in really good shape around here. So I think I can get at least I think I can get $800 to $900 and be okay. But like I said, I don't know if I need to do a complete engine swap, and with the way that the wiring is with the Kohler to Briggs swap, if that's even a thing to venture further with. It was a little bit of a hack job, if I can remember right, and but it worked. So, and it had a ton of hours. It said it had a ton of hours on it, but I think it had to have been left. The switch had been left on. This thing was rebuilt at something, because it said something like 2,000 and some change hours. So I don't think it's that many hours on it, but we'll see. We'll see if we can get it running again. If that's the biggest thing, I want to get it running again, number one, and number two, I want to also figure out why there's so much trash getting in the fuel system. It's got to be a bunch of junk down in the bottom of that tank, and we're going to be probably taking the tank off. So like I said, it was literally across the street from a place that I was servicing in a neighborhood, which I go to some, because I have about probably 3 or 4 folks there that I've been working on their mowers there for a couple years now. And one job turned into 2 while I was there, so I made a little bit of money and then picked this up for free on the way home. So it made the trip worthwhile, I think, and we'll see what we end up going with this mower. It might be a little while, but I wanted to show you this free find while I had it on my mind, while I was thinking about it. So thank you all again for watching. And remember, you can catch up with me at Ellis at ellismowers.com is my email. You can also message me on Instagram and Facebook at ellismowers09. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. See you then.